Installation of slatted panels on the internal wall. In this example, we install a slatted panel on a wall with inside corners and an outside corner. Use at least a 3 mm feeler gauge on the floor and ceiling to avoid hygroscopic changes. The installation is started from the outer corner due to the slat division of the panels. If you want the outer corner to be without strips, the easiest option is to saw the tongues of the panels at an angle of 45 degrees. The blade height is adjusted so that it exceeds the brown core board by a few millimeters. This way the mitre can be fitting and finished. Put the panels in place and press the outer corner tightly together first. Start screwing in the centre and then proceed towards the ceiling and floor. It is good to use enough screws in the outer corners to ensure a good mitre joint. Before tightening the screws, make sure that there is a feeler gauge under each panel. From the inner corner onwards, the panelling of the wall is continued normally, one panel at a time. Before screwing, check that the panel is in the tongue along its entire length. Also use the spirit level as an aid when working. For wall sockets and light switches, holes are made in the panel. Measure the location of the socket carefully and mark the drilling point. A hole is drilled from the slat side of the panel and the surface is protected by taping. Taping prevents the veneer from tearing. Carefully remove the tapes towards the center of the drilled hole, as shown in the example. If the last panel is left open, saw the tongue at a 45-degree angle and paint the brown core board black. Additional information about our products can be found on our website.